In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Clickup. Whether you're new to Clickup or a seasoned user, keeping your profile up to date with a fresh picture is a great way to personalize your experience and make your workspace feel more professional. First, open your preferred web browser and go to clickup.com. Clickup is a versatile platform, perfect for managing projects, tasks, and teams. So having your profile looking sharp is definitely worth the few minutes it takes to update it. Once you're on the Clickup homepage, look to the top right corner for the login button. Click on it. If you already have a Clickup account, signing in will be straightforward. If not, you'll need to create an account first. Once at the login page, you'll notice multiple sign-in options. For convenience, you can use sign in with Google Click on this option and select the Google account associated with your Clickup profile. This integrated login makes the process smooth and quick. After signing in, you'll land on your Clickup dashboard, the central hub for all your tasks, projects, and spaces. Look to the top right corner again where your current profile icon is displayed. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with various account-related options. From this menu, select Profile to access your personal settings. Inside your profile settings, focus on the avatar area. You'll either see a generic avatar or your existing photo. Look for the option labeled Add Custom Avatar and click on it. An on-screen prompt will appear, allowing you to select a photo from your device. Navigate through your files and choose a picture that best represents you. Once you've selected your new image, click Upload. Clickup will process your photo, and within moments, your new profile picture will be set. This simple action not only updates your visual identity in Clickup, but also adds a personal touch to your interface, making your workspace feel more customized and professional. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Clickup profile picture. Keeping your profile current is a small step that can make a big difference in your productivity and overall user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy personalizing.